Welcome back to Cravings with Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Summer is finally here in Toronto with a vengeance, and we need to enjoy barbecue season as much as we can. Before I go any further with these recipes, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's look at these recipes. First up is the famous SEEKH kebab. This is a very popular kebab in India and Pakistan, and it's really so easy to make and grill yourself in your own home. If burgers are your thing, you must try this KAFTA burger. This recipe has Middle Eastern flavors and is fire-kissed on your grill and served in a pita bread pocket instead of a bun. If you're into a milder kebab, give my reshmi kebab a try. This kebab is marinated in a cashew and yogurt cream together with other ingredients. The result is mild, creamy, and very tender morsels of chicken. Another mild kebab from the Middle East is the Iraqi kebab. This delicious kebab is made using dehydrated onion and tomato with other spices so it holds together perfectly on the grill. And finally, let's kick up the spice scale with the world-famous tandoori chicken. Whether you use store-bought marinade or my homemade recipe, these cook beautifully on the grill. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed these 5 delicious grill recipes. All of the recipes are at the end of this video as well as in the description. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. You share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends, and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.